with 2 basics. Shuffle, step, rock, step, shuffle, step, rock, step. Then you're gonna jump or leap or switch onto this foot that doesn't have weight on it, right? We've got weight on our left. We're gonna leap onto our right. Jump, and then we're gonna jump again. Jump, step, rock, step. If you want to think about the free leg, you're going to try to do a little kick and then a bigger kick, and that's going to depend on your own flexibility. Mine is not great, so I usually have to start kind of small. Let's try a couple together. Ready, go. Shuffle, step, rock, step, shuffle, step, rock, step. Little kick, 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 step, rock, step. Switch, switch, step, rock, step. Or from the back it looks like this. All right, now that you've seen how we do the big kick, we're gonna take a look with my friend Emily on how we do it with stage choreography. So how do you make the big kick interesting? This is also what you'll see in Pug. We're adapting it for 2 people. So we're gonna do interactive on the first big kick. We're going to dance in place without interacting on the second one. Then we're gonna be partners again for time number 3 and separate for time number 4. So 4, basic, basic, little kick, big kick, step, rock, step. 4 of that sequence is what I would call the big kick series. In Pug, she would have just turned on the crossover because she's in the number 1 odd spot, an odd's turn, whereas I'm gonna be facing the audience to start. We would be grabbing hands right when we start the basic, but for the sake of where we're picking up right now, we're gonna just have our hands grabbed already, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, ready, go. Thanks so much to Emily for joining me so that we could demonstrate how you do it in stage choreography. And guess what? She made this amazing backdrop as well. And if you come to the Michigan Celtic Festival on July 12th, you'll get to see this with more, even more. So don't miss it.